Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is February the 6th, 2018. And as always, this is our daily cryptocurrency market analysis, where we are giving you the news according to the charts. We are not investment advisors, so therefore we are not giving you investment advice. Everything that is mentioned on this video and channel is not to be considered investment or financial advice. Okay, so today the market has finally given us a precursor of strength. If you all follow HueFin News on Twitter, I sent out a tweet earlier today letting you guys know that the market is giving us precursors of weakness bars right now. So it's an opportunity to come in and buy as the market participants are buying in the market. I told you all that the buyers were stepping in, and as a matter of fact, you guys can tell on this website that the buyers did in fact come into the market today. So where we found support is going to be a very key area for these altcoins to maintain price above that area, and we'll show you guys that as we get into these other altcoins later on in our analysis. Okay, now as we look at these charts, as always, today was a very good day, but we need a little bit more confirmation, precursors of strength bars in the next coming days in order for us to actually start making our way into higher prices. Okay, so now the market cap is at 371.2 billion. Yesterday it was around 323 billion. So it tells you, on top of the percentage change on these altcoins, that the market is definitely enthused about prices currently where they are being traded. And as we look at these charts, we are looking for the market to move higher, and we will show you where resistance is going to be for these altcoins. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is now above 35% as well, with them being up 9.77%. Ethereum as well is up 11.03%. Ripple up 10.14%. Bitcoin Cash 6%. Cardano 11.5%. Litecoin, Neo's up 27.10%. All these altcoins are up today. NAM is up 20%. IOTA's up almost 13%. DAS 16%. Monero 15%. So this is that type of volatility that you all see in the market in the cryptocurrency space, which is an excellent thing to have, especially once you understand what the market is going to do. And that's what we're doing on this channel, is forecasting and predicting where price is likely to be headed, all with just looking at the price bars and the volume. And I want you guys to show me someone else who can do that and tell you precisely where prices are likely to move. Okay, now let's go ahead and get started on our analysis. Bitcoin up 10.91%. Last trade was $7,724.20. Looking at the daily price bar for Bitcoin, you guys can definitely tell that the buyers are in the market for Bitcoin. Market came all the way down to $6,000. That is a very key support area for Bitcoin from now on. As we go out into the months, into the years, this $6,000 support area is going to be imperative to hold support from now on. Now, another thing I want to point out to you all is the fact that the volume is exceedingly climactic compared to anything on this daily price bar. We haven't seen this much volume all the way until even close is on the 15th of September. And you guys can tell what was the result of the market once we saw that much volume coming into the market, and especially looking at how the spread of the bar is for today is continuing to let us know that there was definitely a lot of buying in the market, not just for Bitcoin, but for the rest of the altcoins as well. So that is a sign, a key sign for you all to know on where the market is likely to be headed in the next couple of days and weeks to months. Okay, Let's take a quick look at the 3-hour bar for Bitcoin. So we have a lot of volume, excessive volume appearing in Bitcoin as the market was trading all the way down to $6,000. Market is continuing to give us precursors of strength right now, even on the stockpile bar on this last completed 3-hour bar. This current bar closes above this previous bar. We're still looking for Bitcoin to continue to move higher. Now that resistance area, okay, look like it's going to come up to at least $8,000 in the short term, okay. So if this bar closes above this previous close, Bitcoin at least will be coming up towards $8,000. Now in tomorrow's trading, it will not be a problem for them to even come all the way up to $8,400, if not higher, if we maintain that precursors of strength that we have in the market today. Okay, so the first price area to be recognizing for more precursors of weakness will be around the $8,000 area. If we get a lot of stockpile or precursors of weakness bars here, the market will move lower. But if we continue to get the market into this up move where we have precursors of strength bars being reflected, then the next price area will be $8,400 for Bitcoin. So overall, we're still looking for Bitcoin to move higher, $8,000 the first area, but throughout the trading tomorrow, it can definitely come up to $8,400 or even higher if we maintain the precursors of strength bars as we have going on right now. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up 14.85%. Last trade, $795.39. Daily price bar for Ethereum definitely is giving us a definite precursor of strength bar. The volume is also high. The market came all the way down to $565. Market quickly recovered, came all the way up to and around almost $810. That is another sign letting us know that the buyers came in and at least bought up all of the weak sellers in the market as they got scared as the market was moving all the way past $600. Now, 3-hour bars for Ethereum. Again, just like with Bitcoin, if this current 3-hour bar closes above this previous close, we got 16 more minutes. If it closes above, we're looking for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price. First area, $840. But throughout trading day tomorrow, we see not an issue for Ethereum to come all the way up to $880 in tomorrow's trading, okay? Especially if we maintain the precursors of strength bars. Just like what I said with Bitcoin, the same thing goes with Ethereum as well. One thing that I am noticing is the volume is slacking up quite a bit. So we might run across some resistance right here around that $800 area, and the market can bounce and move lower or get hit across resistance and move lower, okay? But that is only a slight possibility. We're still looking for the market to move higher. Now, $840 will be that first area if this particular bar closes above the previous close, okay? One thing I could tell you though, I would like to see more volume on this 3-hour bar though that we're not getting. So that is giving me a little hesitancy into saying that definitely $840 is where Ethereum would be going. So I just want to tell you guys that. So now let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is up 10.28%. Last trade, $975.07. So one of the things we're going to have for all these bars today are precursors of strength bars, okay? Market came all the way down. We had a very sharp downtrend for Bitcoin Cash. Finally found support right here around $800. And I told you all that we needed to find support right here on the 16th and the 17th of November. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check out our video yesterday, and you guys can tell that's where the market came and found support. That's one of the things that can show you all how to read the market without having indicators, bars, patterns, triangles, whatever else other indicators out there. You guys do not need it. We can read the bars and charts without it, okay? So we do have a precursor of strength bar going on the daily price chart for Bitcoin Cash. 3-hour bars is looking just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. So resistance can be around $1,000, but we get a lot more volume in Bitcoin Cash. 14 more minutes and this bar closes above. We're looking for Bitcoin Cash to at least move a little higher. $1,000 will be that next area. And then throughout trading tomorrow, it should not be a problem for Bitcoin Cash to at least come up to 1050. Okay, now I'm gonna move to a 1 hour bar to get a better picture, see where resistance is. So we are trading around resistance right now in Bitcoin Cash. We are getting buyers in the market, precursors of strength bars right now. So if this current 1 hour bar closes above on this probable precursors of strength, expect Bitcoin to continue to move higher. And as I stated earlier, $1,000 is that first price area we're looking for Bitcoin to move to. But as always, with the volatility in the market, it can definitely move past it. So you have to watch the market for these altcoins as they move higher. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check out Ripple. Ripple is up 13.11%. Last trade was 76 cents, almost 77 cents. Again, precursors of strength bar for today. Market found support, just like what occurred around December of 2017. We might get some sideways trading action, just like we did here back in December 2017 for Ripple, and then it'll break out once again. But definitely it looked like we did find support in Ripple as well on the daily price chart. 3 hour bars for Ripple will give us the same story, just like with Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. We're still expecting Ripple to move higher. 80 cents is that first area. Now right now it's getting hit with some stockpile, and this is the resistance area for Ripple. So we can close above this previous close, then definitely we're looking for Ripple to continue to move higher. 80 cents is the first area, and then throughout trading tomorrow it can definitely come up to 85 cents as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check out Litecoin and see what occurred in Litecoin for today. So now we're looking at Litecoin. Litecoin is up 14.9%. Last trade was $143.86. Same bar, just like with the rest of them, so no need to mention what type of bar it is. This is a precursor of strength. Market came all the way down to support $120, which is excellent. We needed the market to at least find the support area for some time for the whole cryptocurrency space. Right now you guys can see a whole lot of volume around Litecoin as it trade around 110 all the way up to $150. The market is still strong for for Litecoin. Especially we have 11 more minutes. Let this bar close above. The market for Litecoin can definitely come all the way up to and around $150. So if you guys follow our tweet all the way back from I think around 1 o'clock today Central Standard Time, you guys would have been able to ride these cryptocurrencies to great profits. Okay, just in a very short period of time. But nevertheless, we're still looking for Litecoin to continue to move higher. $150 will be that first area of resistance that you need to pay attention to see precursors of weakness. And if we continue to get precursors of strength bars, then tomorrow's trading can definitely come up to $155 or even $160. So overall, we're looking for Litecoin to move higher. So now let's go ahead and check out Dash. So Dash is up 16.47%. Last trade was $525.12. Daily price bar for Dash. Again, precursors of strength bars for today. The volume is also heavier than what it was yesterday, letting us know that the market is changing its tone right now. 3 hour bars for Dash. Again, we're getting the same type of bar outlook pattern, just like with the rest of the other altcoins I just did analysis for. If this 3 hour bar closes above, it is getting some stockpile on it. So pay attention. The market can actually trade lower because it is right here around resistance, or we can get another precursors of strength bar to break through and at least come and touch $550. And right now we're still in precursors of strength mode in these cryptocurrencies. So we're still looking for Dash to at least possibly come up to $550, but we are noticing the fact that stockpile and the resistance area is right here around $525. So we have to overcome that first before we're able to make it to $550. And right now it looked like the market is definitely trying to do that. So we're still looking for Dash to move higher. Now let's go ahead and check out Neo. Neo as well is up 29.72%. Last trade was $106.33. Daily price bar for Neo. Again, we're looking for higher prices for sure in Neo. We have a very widespread price bar today. Market came all the way down to $63.62, and the bar is currently closed around $106. So that is a lot of movement occurring in Neo for today. Volume is also healthy in the way the prices are moving for today. Let us know that the market is definitely eager for higher prices in Neo at this time. Now, 3-hour bar for Neo is definitely getting hit with some stockpile. It did on the previous 3-hour bar. So we're still getting sellers in the market as Neo continues to move higher. $100 needs to hold as support in order for Neo to move higher, depending on how much stockpile is coming in on this particular bar. Okay, so watch out for that. The market can come all the way up to $115 in tomorrow's trading, or even $120 if this next 3-hour bar does not close lower than the previous current close. Okay, so now we are looking at Monero. Monero is up 16.9%. Last trade $210.58. Precursor strength bar for Monero on the daily price bar. 3-hour bars for Monero. Again, looks just like all the rest of the other altcoins. We are trading around the area of resistance for Monero as well. We need another precursors of strength bar on the current 3-hour bar in order for the market to continue to move higher. If we get that, then $230 is going to be the area. We're still looking for higher prices in Monero as well, but please know that we do see resistance in Monero right now, so the market can actually move lower. So we do have that in the back of our mind, but given the fact that we had a precursors of strength bar on the daily price chart, we're still receiving precursor strength bars on the 3-hour bar. We have more leaning to the positive side, stating that Monero will continue to move higher. 220 is the first area, but even throughout trading tomorrow, we could get a very wide push to go up bar to at least 230 or even $250 tomorrow's trading. Now let's go to the last one, which is Cardano. Cardano is up 15.14%. Last trade was 36 cents. So a lot of volume came in for Cardano today. Precursors of strength bar, and the market came all the way down to 26 cents. Was able to close towards and around 36 cents right now. So we are in a precursor strength mode for Cardano, but the market is still not as strong as the other cryptocurrencies out there in the market. Okay. So the market can actually come up to and around 38 cents in the short term. That is where resistance is. So the market can just trade sideways for a couple of hours and then it can move higher. The next area for resistance is going to be around 41 to 42 cents in tomorrow's trading. Definitely, it looked like the market's going to go up there, but it might take some time. Just like with the rest of the other altcoins, it has to break through this resistance area first. And that's what is occurring right now. So our analysis for Cardano, as well as for them to move higher, we gave you the initial areas of 38 cents, but then definitely tomorrow's trading could come all the way up to 41 or even 42 cents, or even higher than that if a lot of the other market participants come in and participate in higher prices. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Today being February the 6th, 2018, and just to give you guys a recap of what I just mentioned on this video, we still are noticing stockpile coming in on some of these bars, so pay attention. We definitely know that we have hit the support area, so we are receiving changing of tone occurring in the market for today. Okay, I would just like to see a couple more precursors of strength bars on the daily price chart before I would definitely say we are coming out the woods. And also on some of these, well, pretty much all of them, we saw where the market is currently trading around resistance. So the next 3-hour bar has to close above the previous close that is currently forming now. Okay, if it doesn't, then the market will at least trade sideways to back into the support area. Okay, but long term, definitely the buyers came into the market today, so that is a very positive sign for the market to at least recover some of the losses that we've seen in the beginning of this year, 2018. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Everyone, continue to watch these videos. We will be here to tell you all when we see changes occurring in the market, just like today. We sent out that tweet, let you know that we are noticing changes in tone. Buyers are coming in the market. And if you guys would have took that in, you guys would have definitely rode the train to higher prices. And we're still looking like the market's going to move higher, albeit I need to see precursors of strength break through those resistance area that I mentioned on our video today. But long term, it's looking good. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Everyone stay profitable, and I will talk to you all later.